Yes, okay.
Kuringana na riboti ya muthurimi wa mathabu ma thirikari Nancy Gathungu ya gukorwo kaunti itiganite gukorwo na kaunti ngurani cia bengi, riu kamiti ya bunge ya Senate igie thirikari cia matura ni yendekithitie thirikari cia kaunti itaririe akaunti iria iri nacio. Kamiti no yuritie Gathungu kwandikira kaunti ciothe marua ma kwenda itaririe uria akaunti itiganite ihuthikaga.
That indeed we don't have visibility of all these accounts, and worse still of the amounts held in these accounts and the use of those accounts. That is where risk is.
Kuringana na Gathungu ni ati ni ugwati munene thirikari cia kaunti gukorwo na akaunti nyingi cia bengi amu no ihuthike na njira itagiriire kungikorwo gutire na watho urarumirirwo. Hamwe noguo murugamiriri wa budget ya thirikari Margaret Nyakango oigite ni mahitia thirikari cia kaunti kuhingura akaunti nyingi cia bengi hatari na watho mararumirira.
They are duplications, and I don't know what to call them, quadruplication of purpose in many of the counties. And we are going to do this exercise every time that we go around the counties.
We have given proposals. Do we make it an impeachable offense if a governor opens an account contrary to the law? Do we do that? Those are some of the things that we are looking at as a committee.
Ona kuri uguo muikariri giti kamiti-ini ya kigina kanjo-ini ya magavana Fernandes Baraza oigite thirikari cia kaunti ire na wiyathi wa kuhingura akaunti cia bengi niguo kumahotithia gukinyaniria uthii wa na mbere indi ni ibatie kurumirira watho.
To have accounts opened in Central Bank except for petty cash.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Njuguna.